Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today is so exciting. I've got this delivery here. I've just noticed how vile my nails are. Let me just do that. Okay, so just excuse those. So just sorted them out and even put a bit of cuticle oil on because they're looking really dry lately. Anyway, so yeah, I've had this delivery here from BTArtbox, as you can see here. And I wanted to do like a few videos with it because it's really exciting, the stuff that is in here. So this is the first video of 3. This is just the unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that's in the box, and then I'm going to do 2 more videos with the products that are inside. So let's open it up, see what we get first of all. So here is the parcel and what is in here. So one of the videos I'm going to be doing after this one is applying these press-ons. How absolutely stunning are these? So BTArtbox did ask me about which extensions I wanted, so I did pick the style that I've received, but these are just a lovely surprise. I didn't pick these. I can't open it to save my life. There we go. Oh, I didn't even need to take that out anyway. Love that holographic backing. That is beautiful. Let's pop that back on there because it looks really good. But look how stunning these nails are. Let's just zoom in a little bit. But the finish of them is just beautiful. Obviously that is far too small for my thumb, but look how stunning that is. I love it. Obviously it's not the right size, but yeah, they're really beautiful. So we get, I did need to take that off. I don't know why I put it back on. Struggled for all that time. So you get obviously the nails that are on the top here. There's 10 there. They're so beautiful. Like, absolutely love the effect of that. It's really pretty. I don't know why I keep putting it there because you can't see it. But look, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like, oh gosh, it's cat's eye effect. Like that sort of like when you move in the light, look at that. Oh, wow, it's amazing. Anyway, so you get that. Those on there, you get a prep pad here, you get the glue, you get more nails, obviously different sizes for different nails, and then you also get these so you can apply temporarily like adhesive tabs instead of having them on for as long as nail glue will last. And then you also get a little file and an orange wood stick. So I'm buzzing about using those. Actually, they are really beautiful. Oh god, I've not put the holographic thing back on, and I need to do that because when I do the video with these, obviously I want them to be in the, I can't get it off again. I want it to be in the appropriate packaging, of course, because that holographic bit of card makes all the difference to the packaging. It looks amazing, and it hides all the stuff underneath as well, I suppose. It looks much neater. I've definitely not put it on properly. I don't know why I'm struggling with life so much today, but it's just one of those days. Yeah, and the packaging is really pretty as well. I love the colour scheme of the packaging. This like purple and pinky purple and mint colour is lovely. And then obviously you've got all the details here and then some tips on how to get them to last a long time as well. So that's really good. But I really love those. Very happy with them. I don't know where this has come from, but never mind. And then, secondly, we've got the soft gel system. So first things first, like down here, we've got these 2 X-Coat Tips French Protecting Duo. So we've got the reinforced coats, which is this bottle here. And then we've got top coat, which is this bottle here. So that's in a really cute little box as well. And then here we've got the solid gel glue, which is obviously what you use to apply the nails with. Which I have actually watched other videos on these products from other nail techs that are on YouTube, and that product looks like it's going to be really good because it's like it's quite thick. So instead of like lots of running around the nail area, around the cuticle area and sidewalls you'd get with a runnier gel, that seems to be really handy. So anyway, in here we've got gel glue and top coat. I'm going to try and get that to go back in there. I mean, hats off to the people that package these. I mean, you probably do it a lot better than I'm doing it. Well, anyway, let's just shove that down there. There we go. It's like it was never taken out. And then in here, we've got the mini LED light. Oh, I've just picked that up. Seriously, there's got to be a knack to that. I just don't have it. Saving the best till last, which is obviously the nails themselves. Let me just get this out. So I don't have a light like this. So I'm really excited to use it. It looks really easy to use as well from other videos that I've seen. Let's just open it up. Resealable bag, which I absolutely love, so I can repackage it up for when I come to do the actual video. So this is what it looks like. Very, very cute. And obviously the wire just goes in the back there and you get that. And then all you need is an adapter, which I feel like every household has 1,000 of them. I know I do anyway. I don't know why, but yeah, they're just everywhere. So I'd rather that than get like the wrong sort of, what's it called? Plug, basically. I'm just going to pop those down there. And then last but not least, actually, you also get a little user manual as well, which is really handy, which gives you the information on how to use them, which is obviously very helpful. And then these are the ones I picked. You can get, like I said, like you can get lots and lots of different styles. You can get the nude based ones, you can get the pink based ones. Like there is so many different ones to choose from. But I chose, I think these are short. I can't remember which ones I asked for. I think these are the short coffin pink, obviously. But I've not actually seen the pink yet on other videos that I've watched. Like, not that no one's done a video on them, but I haven't seen any because I just haven't seen any. So I've only saw the nude. But this pink colour is absolutely beautiful. It's actually very similar to the colour of Builder Gel that I've got on, which is brilliant because I know that that suits me. But look how many different sizes you get. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different sizes. Like, if you can't find a nail to fit you with all of these nails, then something is very wrong. But look how beautiful they are. And this is actually amazing for me as well, because I never have French. I mean, to be fair, they'd probably be a bit long, so I probably would file them down just for work purposes. But if I'm going out or something, they'd be brilliant, or for a holiday or something. In fact, I might actually have these for my holiday and then just put a design on top in August. But yeah, these are perfect because I never have French nails because I don't have the patience to do it on myself. So these are absolutely brilliant because obviously, well, yeah, like it's not going to be as much effort as like sitting and hand painting a full French on yourself. And obviously it would also be really, really quick to do them on clients as well, instead of having to hand paint all the French when it's already there, and then you can just put a design on top. So that's going to save you a lot of time. So these, yeah, they're just absolutely beautiful. So I'm just, like I said, like I really do love the packaging. But yeah, just stunning products and stunning packaging. I love how they look. And then obviously it tells you here 3-in-1 soft gel system. It's got base coat, soft gel tip and tip primer all included in the same one. It says it fits different types of nail beds. Ones with more of a C curve. Well, it's not really a C curve, is it? Yeah, it is a C curve. Is it? Yeah, a C curve. And ones without that are a bit more flat. So amazing. And then you get all the instructions on the back. So what a brilliant package that this is. So thank you very, very much to BTArtbox, because this is just the best delivery ever. I can't wait to use these products. So yeah, I'll be doing 2 more videos, like I said, one applying the press-ons and one applying the soft gel system. So look out for those videos because they'll be coming over the next week. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back soon with the next one. Bye.